Hey everyone, want to install a Chrome extension that's not from the Chrome Web Store? In this video, we show you how to load an Unpacked extension in Chrome so you can use your custom extension safely and easily. Loading an Unpacked extension is a Chrome developer feature. It lets us install custom browser extensions directly from a local folder on our computer, instead of the Chrome Web Store. This helps us test code changes in real time by loading raw files, including the manifest JSON file, directly into the browser. The main purpose of loading an Unpacked extension is to let users and developers install Chrome extensions from a local folder. This is mostly used for testing, developing, or running customizations before publishing, or when using private extensions. Now follow us as we show you step by step in the simplest way, so even if you're new, you can follow along. First, open your browser. We go to Settings. You can find your settings in the upper right corner of the browser. See these three dots. Go to Settings, then go to Extensions and Manage Extensions. Once you're in the Extension section, you can see all your extensions here. If you have a custom extension that is not from the web store and you want to upload it, you can do it via Developer Mode. You can find Developer Mode in the upper right part. There's a Switch button. Just click this Switch button. Now Developer Mode is turned on. On the upper left corner, you'll see options like Load Unpacked, Pack Extension, and Update. To load your Unpacked extension, just click Load Unpacked. When you click this, a file folder will pop up. You can select your folder anywhere on your PC or desktop. Make sure to upload the whole folder. If, for example, this is your work and you want to upload it, just click this and select this folder. Then, a confirmation message will pop up to let you know if it worked or not. If it failed, you can just try again to unpack the extension. That's it. Now you've loaded an Unpacked extension into your browser, so you can test or use your custom extensions easily. Just remember to only load extensions from trusted sources to keep your browser secure.